9/2/2011 at 7:27 p.m. following and tracking the severe weather outbreak in Oklahoma. Right now you can see these storms just blow up. Right here you can see this fast racing storms just coming down and feeding into this. I'm really not sure what this is. It's moving so fast because it looks like spray, the chemical spraying. You see how that spreads out like that? It doesn't look like the regular cloud systems that we've seen before. We've also had some lots of spraying this morning, and as you see this come down, you see some spray and then these things blow up. It was really intensified heat today in the 80s. I don't know what all this is here. It looks like something. I have never been on this particular site to record or watch it with the satellite, so I'm not sure what to expect, but it looks like some things blowing up down here also, but that is really strange. I'll see if one of my friends who's a little bit more active in the satellite part can let me know what they're looking at and seeing there. So I don't know. Like I said, I have not been on this particular I know there's tornadoes that have been seen in the ground here. I think that's where I went there. I don't even know where I've been on this site. So there's, see that intensified, it blew up the storm. It's coming down from the north. There was one coming from the east, west, going east. This one's coming down here. Really strange looking how this is coming down. But anyway, let's see if I can get over to IntelliCast. There's a possible tornado in this area. Let's see. We're doing a little.
Hey! What is going on?
You are on the recorder here.
Sorry.
This is a little bit. We forgot where he was. Tornado possible. There's some hail over here. I'm going to move out just a little bit more. You can see all the hail areas and the damaging wind. I mean, this is a really, really, really intense storm going on. Again, I can see what is going on here with the so you watch as those blow up. Maybe this will show a little bit more about where that particular thing was coming from. That looks like that's just blowing right down here, which is what we were seeing on the other radar. Satellite radar. I have to be careful because this thing is so sensitive in recording that okay, I'm gonna okay. It's carrying a lot, so I'm going to go back over to the storm. As you can see, most of this is all centered right here in that area. Look at on the storm cells with the possible tornado and hail. We've got a football, a lot of football going on, football game going on in Tulsa tonight, Oktoberfest. A lot of outdoor things, so we need to hope that everybody's safe and staying prepared. We'll check on what's happening later. Stay safe.